Hello, Vita. Do you remember what we have studied in our last English class? Yes, we have studied about A sound words. What we have studied? We have studied about A sound words. Now, today we are going to revise all the A sound words again. Okay? Are you ready? We will start with the first picture. Can you see here what ma'am has drawn at the first picture? See, try to read it with the phonic sound. S, a, d. S, a, d. Sad. H, a, t. Hat. D, a, d. Dad. B, all. Ball. B, all. Ball. We will study A-double-L, all. B, all. Ball. R, a, t. Rat. B, a, g. Bag. B, a, t. Bat. W, all. Wall. So these are, what is the meaning of wall? Wall means diwar. When you will look around at your home, you will see each room has a wall. Wall means diwar. ठीक है बेटा? Now we will study more words with A sound word. Okay? चलो, shall we start? We will try to read all the A sound words. You will speak after ma'am. Keep your finger and speak. B, a, t, bat. B, a, t, bat. F, a, t, fat. R, a, t, rat. H, a, t, hat. S, a, t, sat. M, a, t, mat. Beta, you must have noticed that in all the words at is coming at the end, so it is easy to read. You will see the phonic sound of at is at, and we are just writing one word in front of it, one letter in front of it. Okay, and we have to speak. We can speak like this also. B, at, bat. F, at, fat. R, at, rat. H, at, hat. S, at, sat. M, at, mat. Now come to the next one. It is k, a, b, cab. T, a, b, tab. L, a, b, lab. Lab is the place where we do experiment. Scientists do experiment. That is called lab. F, a, b, fab. Fab means beautiful. D, a, b, dab. J, a, b, jab. Now you will see in all these words ab is coming at the end. Ab is coming at the end. That is ab. What is coming at the end? Ab. K, ab, cab, tab, lab, fab, dab, jab. Okay. Now the next one is ag. What is coming at the end? You will see here. You will join these two words and it will become ag, ag. B, ag, bag. T, ag, tag. Yesterday I told you, when you go to market to buy something new, so on that a tag is there on which price is written. It is of rupees 20, it is of rupees 50. That is called tag. Now wag. What is wag? When you will see a dog, it will move its tail like this. Okay, that is called wag. Nag. N-ag, nag. Nag means when you trouble somebody again and again. that is called nag. Fag, f-ag, fag. Lag, l-ag, lag. Now these are ag word: bag, tag, wag, nag, fag, lag. Now add word: ad, add. B-add, bad. D-add, dad. L-add, lad. M-add, mad. P-add, pad. S-add, sad. So now we have studied add sound words. Now see: add, add, bad. D add, dad. L add, lad. M add, mad. P add, pad. S add, sad. Now we are going to read some more A sound word. Ale. Now you will join them together and they will make a word. A-I-L, ale. Now you will see here. N-ale, nail. M-ale, male. T-ale, tail. J-ale, jail. R-ale, rail. F-ale, fail. So now we have studied more A sound word. Now here comes the next line. The next line is T-all, tall. V-all, wall. F-all, fall. B-all, ball. H-all, hall. K-all, call. So all these are A sound words. Beta, you will read all the words at home and you will read them nicely with the phonic sound. Okay, I will share the pic of new words which you have to write in your notebook also. Okay beta, keep practicing. Okay, bye bye, take care.